metal man dares fight a god.
Only if you resist arrest.
I don't submit to anyone.
Round 1. Fight! Robocop wins.
You are under arrest, dirtbag. You betrayed Kotal Khan to Melina.
Given the chance, I would have betrayed her too.
You are not to be trusted.
Round 1. Fight! Robocop wins.
You are under arrest, dirtbag.